Hello everyone, welcome to today's weekly commentary. So the first thing is we'll start from good, and the weekly commentary, which is outlook and recap, we'll be looking into four major pairs. All right, one is good, another one is Euro USD, GPUSD, and USD JPY, based on the technical and fundamental view of the market. On gold right here, we are having what a bullish uptrend right here, and we are seeing how market is what a series of buying moves to the upside. Now, right here, we have what a market sweep above this high. Market reject. Market look like what is rejecting this high, so it failed to close above this high with body, neither even this black candle right here. So this gives us a reason for us now to be anticipating for what a short-term downtrend for a bullish expansion. What do I mean? That means the market can decide to what give us what a short-term retracement for a buy program, maybe retest this particular level, right? So to retest this particular level before it buy. So in terms of daily time frame, you will have it right here that we have what a clear imbalance right here, right? We have a clear imbalance right here. So market can come back to this area or we see more higher prices. So what do we need on H1 time frame? So we need what confirmation. So how do we look at for that confirmation? We need market to what at least break this low, which is more ideal. Breaking the body of this series of buy candle, these two buy candles right here in the body of it is one confirmation. But another confirmation is what breaking below this particular low, right? Breaking below that particular low right there. So once market now break this particular low, give us more confirmation that we look toward to sell. All right, now give us more confirmation that we look to sell. And in our last week, outlook, we saw how price give us what short-term sell right here, right from Monday of it, we saw from Monday of it. Okay, this is Tuesday. From Monday of it, we saw the first buy movement right here from here. After that, on Tuesday, market continued the buy. On Wednesday, we had what a short-term reversal right here, and the reversal was kind of clear because as market break this low, that gave us more confirmation for a sell from this contraction. So it came back to this area, give us a short sell, and the sell we actually took an entry was around here to make a lower low. After that, market offered what a buy setup on H1 time frame. There was what a buy setup that market offered right here. So it was what a buy program outside. As market is giving us this buy program to the upside, I took entry around here. Even some of my students also did the same around this particular level. So after the first buy entry, market offered another buy entry around here, trade above this high, which was the trade I took. I shared it with you guys, but I believe some of you hit break even because the news did not go as planned, which is understandable because I was expecting maybe the news will just push through, right? So, but what did the news do? What if market first consolidate at least people out of the market before the news do anything? So the news what it went up, went down before going up. So it hunts a lot that very day, which is understandable. So since we already have a break of structure, that make it more sense that market can come back to this imbalance level right here to give us what a buy program. So here now, before we look for a build program, we need market to what bring this low before we look for what a bullish program again. Now, why are we overall bullish? Then in terms of short term, we are short term bearish. If market break the low, we'll be short term bearish. But if not, we'll be what long term bullish. Why? Because when you look at the good report from here, understand that good as of last week, they added what extra about 10,000 more long position. You can see right here, they added what more buy position. They also added what about 15,000 short contract. So they added 10,000 long contract and about 15,000 short contract. So that means both buyers and sellers were in the market as of last week. Give you the idea that those sellers were what caused this sharp drop right here, while the buyers were what push up for more. Right? So since they are still buying more, that will give us more reason for us to what expect market to go up the more. But the first thing is what at least we need to trade into this range or to induce this low before we become bullish again. So that is the first view on gold. And that's what happened on gold as of last week. Euro USD, the center right here, we have a short-term break of structure of daily on page 4 time frame right here. Right, in terms of weekly time frame, which we can really understand, we notice that market is coming from this major range, and based on what current market is forming currently, shows us that what there's a possibility that market is going to continue lower, right? It's going to continue lower. So we also look in terms of fundamental analysis before we conclude that. In terms of this time frame, we notice how market was bearish currently around this level. Because this market is bearish, and we have right here some bearish candle. So for us to be bullish, we need what? More confirmed view of market. And for us to be bullish, we need market to break this high. Possibly, even if we didn't even break that high, we need market to break a significant high. And where is the significant high we need? So if market now break this low, which is last Friday low, and the body failed to close below it, all right? Body failed to, and we have kind of like a rejection candle somewhere around here. We can now anticipate what? Buy a week. But if not, we will what? Continue dropping lower for market to make a lower low, right? Because fundamental analysis in terms of using good report is good, but interest rate on its own is already telling us in terms of interest rate, which I believe everybody understand that, is telling us that we are short-term bearish on Euro USD. So if interest rate is telling us we are short-term bearish, and which is what a leading kind of like a leading indicator, that will give us more reason for us to be bearish on Euro USD for the week. All right, that will give us more reason for be bearish on Euro USD for the week. So for the week, or within the week, we had some trend right here. Right, market gave us what? A buy program, which actually outlined and gave the reason for us to buy Euro USD, right? And we bought from here. Market continue get to our target, which was around somewhere here. After that, market either above this high, reject inside this range, and this H1 time frame, reject it. So getting this high right here, this particular high, without market closing above, that gave us what? More reason for us to be what? Bearish around here. So on Friday, on Thursday of it, I might to say, there was no clear entry. So though we give entry on lower time frame around somewhere here, right? So it continued dropping the downside. So on Friday, market offered a short-term uptrend right here before EFP, and I didn't actually catch any entry right here, but I outlined, marked some setup right here that market offered is the buy setup. The sell setup also I saw it, but I didn't actually take any of them. So that is that for the week. On GBPUSD, before I come back to GBPUSD, so for us to be bullish, we need interest rate to be bullish also. And apart from interest rate being bullish, we also need what? A clear break of structure to the upside for us to be bullish. And the reason why is this. When you look at interest rate on let's say on Peru, which is this, which is in terms of last 3 weeks, right? From minus 62,000, we went to what? Minus 66,000. They added more sell position. Now we have what? Minus 58,000. They added little buy position, right? Since they added a little buy position, that means they are still anticipating what? A short-term uptrend. But interest rate, another big factor right here, because they are still selling that, right? So now that gives us more reason that we will anticipate price to be bearish, so which is why I mark this area for us to look for more sell pressure in the market. The same thing on GBPUSD, the same thing I'm expecting here. So we have a buy program right here, and short-term break of structure to the upside right here. Market offer a buy program right here to the upside. On Tuesday, market also offered a buy program. On Monday, I didn't actually trade that very day because I was very busy. I didn't trade. So market offered a buy setup, but I didn't take it. But this is a trade which was discussed within the community, my private community. This is another setup which was also shared the channel within my own community. So after that, this day, which was on Wednesday, there's no clear buy setup for me. I didn't actually take this buy, but even if, but some people might get, but in my own view, there's no clear entry until market offered this sell setup. I shared with you all. If you're able to take this trade, offer more than 1:10, right? More than 1:10 setup. But if you take your first TP around 1:4, around somewhere here, which is a perfect trade. So on this day, market offered what short buy. It offered before the NFP. If you're able to catch this entry, you'd have made what short profit right here, right? So after that, market now what continue dropping down. So we're having what drop down, and in terms of candle formation, notice that this candle actually reject this high, right? The body failed to above it, which is what a rejection. So rejecting this high. So it didn't reject this bullish candle right here, right? Because the body took above it a little, but it rejected this high. So which is reason for us to what expect what reversal. Then we have the bearish candle, so which make this Friday more understandable for us to expect what bearish expansion to the downside. So in terms of technical analysis, since daily is still bearish, we are creating more sell candles. And if market decide to create another sell candle, the body of it close below Friday low, Thursday low, we likely look for what more lower lows if the body close below it. So that is one major thing that we likely use to anticipate price to create more lower lows in price. So I have this area right here because market has already offered first sell entry around here after the NFP, right around here. So after that, the next entry, if market come back to this area, we look for more sell the downside. Now, why am I also looking at this area? Because in terms of my minor break structure, if market break this high, I will possibly what expect what bullish expansion until then bearish. Even if what report also telling us that what GPB is gaining strength, right? So because we will have 4 minus, or let's say the last 3 months, which is December, from plus 20,000 or 21,000 of December or 27,000 contract, we went minus 11 minus 21,000. So that is what they are selling. They are selling in the current moment, right? Because they are not adding more position at that current moment. They are not adding more. So that means sellers are in the market. So here now we have what minus 11,000. So from minus 21,000 to minus 11,000. So that means they added a little position as of what last week. Overall, they are what going to the downside of the market. So if based on this last week report now, if we are to look for buy, we need what confirmation first. That's by breaking this high. Without that, we are not going to do what bullish. So currently we are bearish. So we look at another pair is GPP USD JPY MRC. So on Thursday of it, market offered a sell setup, which was third setup, but I didn't actually edit another guy. Market the setup from after that is a kind of a inside trade. All right, market the setup as an inside trade. So from day time frame, all right, we have market retracing into this major range. And last week on Thursday of it, we have what? All right, bearish candle. This week we have what? Bar, right? Rejecting this low, rejecting the low as of Friday. So this gives us what reason for us not to what anticipate what program. So before we expect buy program, we need market to what change from what bearish program to a bullish program by breaking this high. If you break this high, I expect it to break it with what? With body. Or even if you didn't break it with body, at least it breaks resistance level with body. That is another major point. So once market is able to do that, then we'll be anticipating what more buy movement. Now, the reason why I'm expecting more buy movement is because when you look at quote report so far last week, you notice we have from minus 14,000, minus 900, minus 900 to minus 18,000. That means they're shifting, right? They're shifting currently, right? They are shifting currently in terms of on USD JPY, all right? They're shifting the bullish side on the JPY, right? That means JPY is gaining strength. JPY is gaining strength, which gives you this idea that market is what bearish. And play that just like that. So they shifted from what the bullish was initially. Excuse me. Okay, it was this initial bull run, what bearish run. So for us now to be bullish, since interest rate is showing us that what will likely be what bullish. We need first thing break of structure. And this coming week, right, that is on Friday on this week, we need what? Need to be changing from what this downtrend that they're giving us now, because that means USD JPY is bearish since USD JPY is becoming stronger. So we need market now to shift from the bearish side, right, to a bullish side. So that means we need market to what? We need more of this bearish move for us to go bullish for this week. But in terms of technical analysis and interest rate alone, from quote report, once market break this high, then we have what? Change of what? A change of character or a change of trend, short-term change of trend, at least for market to trade into this major structure range right here, right? Into this major structure range. So that is that for this outlook and recap. So good luck and good trading for you all.